Mortgage rates are easing up in San Diego, and that shift is already sparking buyer interest. When borrowing costs drop, demand in our market tends to take off, especially with so many younger mobile buyers who feel every financial change. For sellers, that can mean quicker sales, stronger competition, and better offers. Bottom line, rate cuts bring affordability back into play, and with it, more real estate activity across San Diego.